Rana, he's stolen your job today.
Yes.
Why? Normally you're the one who's cooking for me.
Yeah.
He stole your job?
You change.
Today,
I changed?
is change.
Change.
Cook change. Ladies and gentlemen, travel with Suppa. Your man Jerry's house. Hey,
Started cooking. It's
who,
a new
who
job.
gave you permission to get into my apartment?
Rana gave me permission.
Rana?
No.
I didn't know he's coming today.
No, boss.
Okay.
So we are going to make a Sri Lankan sausage spicy devil, but unfortunately a few ingredients are missing. But I will try my best to make it spicy and tasty.
Okay, go ahead.
So we are going to add some oil.
Less talking, more work. Man, you said little oil. You put too much, right?
Oh, we need to fry the sausage first.
You're gonna give people heart attack?
Boss.
Okay. Huh? Rana is laughing. He finds it funny because to see travel with Suppa is cooking. Ah, you're eating pan. Okay.
So we are cutting the sausage into small pieces.
Okay.
This is how I learned from my father how he was. Yeah, when I was back home, I used to look at how my father is cooking a sausage devil.
So in our vlogging history, this is the first cooking video we are doing.
Yes. So
Oh, Noor. Okay. It's hot, man.
it's hot, right?
Ready for cooking. Oh, you first fry.
Yeah.
I better be careful. The oil is shooting on my face. Oh, Suppa is putting. Rana is stirring.
Actually, it was a random video. We never expected this.
Uh-huh. Okay. It smells really good. We haven't yet added the ingredients. Yet the sausages smell really good.
Then we add a little bit of chili
Chili
flakes.
You always say a little bit, but you put a lot.
Yeah. Then only you feel the spiciness.
That's why you call it devil.
Yes, that's called devil. But unfortunately, we are missing ketchup. We need to add a little bit of ketchup also, and then pepper. A little bit. We need to add a little bit of pepper.
Okay. Oh, Rana has everything stored up. Not up, it's down there. Pepper. This is what you call little. It's little or lot.
Bas.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you have never heard the Suppa speaking Hindi, he just said bus. It's not the buses you see on the streets, yeah?
Yeah, it's called enough.
It's enough. Okay.
No, I say.
There, you're stirring. What did you add so far?
So I added the chili flakes. I added a little bit of salt, and then okay.
So Rana is suggesting to put this red chili. It'll get fried up. Red chili.
Okay. Enough.
The chili flakes are the same thing, right?
Yeah, but it will give a little bit of more spiciness because we eat spicy food back home.
First time you see Travel with Suppa with the Louis t-shirt.
It doesn't belong to me.
It's your man Jerry's t-shirt. If you have watched our gold soup video, you might see me wearing it. If there's technology introduced in this world to smell things through the video, then by this time you would smell delicious deviled sausage. Oh, he's adding more oil.
Little bit.
Are you aware of...
We are actually missing ketchup as well as soy sauce. So if those two also goes with this, it will be wow, the best.
That's how you say wow. Hey, Rana, what you going to add?
Finish, no?
You go. Salt and chili flakes. Oh, it's finished.
So next we shall add the onions.
Suppa, did you wash your hands?
Yes.
I heard you scratching your ass, man.
No, me left side.
I saw you scratching your ass. Hey, you bloody eat it alone. Suppa, not Suppa. Rana, is he cooking well? According to you, is it good cooking?
Not.
Not good?
Why your hand? Right side, no. Left side.
I am me left hand.
No.
He's left-handed.
Not good.
Not good?
No.
Rana is not quite happy with Suppa's cooking. I don't know why. You guys watching, comment below. Now the people are gonna give their reviews. They might be against you, or propose you, oppose you. I don't know. You
Just
see?
have a look at this. Unfortunately, we are
Before
missing-
that, look at the richness of this neck.
Oh.
Gold, huh? So we have to wait until these onions turn into golden color. Yeah, we can't eat like this. It has to turn gold. So it's simple as it's no sauce, nothing.
Yeah,
It's
the
just
problem is we are missing with soya sauce, and we are missing with ketchup, and then yeah, those two, and also if we can have the capsicum, then that will be the best devil chicken. Unfortunately, we are just trying to make up something and trying to make a devil
So
chicken.
this isn't a planned thing.
Yeah.
We never planned to do a video, or it's just with the resources we have, we're just making a short and sweet.
Ketchup, soya sauce.
मेरे को मालूम नहीं. मेरे को मालूम नहीं.
Oh, Rana's Hindi is coming.
मैं बोला था लेके आने का. मैं बोल रहा नहीं चाहिए. नॉर्मल.
Normal is always best, no?
Yeah.
This is our poor sausage devil. Should I write it as it is in the caption? Poor sausage devil. Oh,
Rana, back to his cooking skills.
Rana entered the kitchen. Is it gonna be in the thumbnail like this? Oh. Hey, did you add more salt?
Yeah, we have salt. Enough.
But it's still not golden color. Hey, you're supposed to be cooking. What is he doing?
He wanted to cook. In fact, when I said I want to cook, he said no, visitors are not allowed to cook here. I said shut up man, I will cook it. Otherwise he's gonna cook according to his style.
Anna, what we gonna drink after this? You got this one, right? Let me show you. Oh, we got. What is this? Made in what country?
Philippines.
Philippines. Red horse. Look at this. It's gonna be a perfect thumbnail. Hold it. This is called thumbnail o'clock.
Anna.
So we're gonna drink this. Let it be in the fridge for some time. We want cold beer, chilled. I buy only this brand, Noor.
Noor sunflower.
Look at the color of this oil. It's clean. It's what?
The best is olive oil.
Olive oil is the best, but
But it's expensive also.
expensive. Yeah.
Enough, pass.
Rana, is it done? Finished?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
With 2 minutes.
What is the plate?
Now it has turned into golden color. Yeah. Okay. You think it's spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy. You can feel the smell of the spices.
While it is hot, I need to test one. Oh. My fingers literally burnt. But there's no taste. Taste it?
It's because
Because it's hot.
no, it's because we didn't have ketchup and soy sauce.
Mouth is burning, yeah? It's good? Did you try it?
Shape.
Okay.
Let's go.
See you when we are having it. Hey, you
How's the
just
sound?
you just opened it, huh?
Yeah.
So you can open it for me. Okay.
Look at the sound.
Okay.
Did you hear the loud sound? Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. My God, after a long
We
time
had
I'm having a
We had
beer.
a beer in Sri Lanka and we are having a beer together in Dubai.
It's strong, yeah. You said it's made in Philippines, right?
It's very strong.
Red horse. Okay, we're gonna enjoy our
We have popcorn as well as they were
sausage devil Sri Lankan style. As you saw in the video how we made it. Having a beer, looking the streets. What else you got?
we have popcorn
Popcorn. Open it up. Wow. There it is. Where did you buy popcorn from?
from the supermarket. After this, we are gonna go in. We're gonna go hunting for street food.
Street food at this time?
Yeah. It's already 12:30, right?
Okay. It's my last sip before I end the video. Click that subscribe button and stay tuned with your man Jerry. Bye bye.